The life of a lot of artists and musicians is also not just Bombay. There are global trends, there are international trends, there are classier events and stuff, there are quality stuff and everything happening. And half the stuff that you see on TV, as I keep repeating, are orchestrated and scripted and stuff. And those personalities which look so amazing on TV and on screen and stuff are not that great as you see. I cannot share names here, but I can tell you from my own professional and personal experiences, some of them who are respected by a lot of youth and youngsters are actually full of shit behind the scene and stuff. And a lot of people you not even met, or a lot of people who are the veterans and stuff, are greatly respected because they treat people very well, not because of the images that they have, but because of the work they do. And now I feel when I talk to a lot of youth and stuff, they have a lot of negative and toxic to talk about journalism, to talk about print media, to talk about PR and stuff like that. But then there is always a positive dimension to it. If you follow quality, if you go on to the top 10 best channels of the English worldwide news and stuff and global communication, it will be clear and evident to you that yes, they are classier people, and there are classier channels like BBC and CNBC and the top 10 English channels and stuff. And because people are throwing filth and garbage at you, does not mean that you have to kind of get into the picture of thinking that those are the best careers for you. You can actually look at healthier pastures and healthier affairs where creativity, design, architecture, maybe working for a cause, maybe working for a community, or maybe working for probably a MNC or a multinational firm, or a research firm, or a channel comes to mind, because these places give you the best of international exposure and stuff which no Bollywood celebrity can offer. So that's that. So avoid getting into this syndrome of over earning traps. Aspirations are great, earning monies are great, business projections are great, business revenues are great. However, greed and desperation for money and competition, which happens in the real world, it doesn't happen everywhere, depends on the culture and everything, is of great consequence to your emotional and mental health. So spend time with people who are kind of giving you the right picture, who are treating you the right way, you're in the right environment, you're around the right people. And if you have any concerns around disgust, dislike, competition, anger thrown at you, report it to your recruitment heads and stuff like that, and also speak to your seniors about it, because if you do not talk about it, it will keep happening. And this happens also with people who follow you around and stuff. So if you don't report it, if you don't voice it, if you don't speak about it, and if you do not get vocal about it, it will continue. Okay, so love and luck, take care, have a blast and have fun. And I'm on jashinkapani .im at gmail.com and jkapani at gmail.com. So take care, bye bye.